I would say that Kanga Roofing has earned much of the business that they've gotten from us. You know, whether it's a service call or, you know, we need a new bid on a job. I feel like we always get, you know, personal service from you guys.
The website, the first phone call, through the, you know, the sales meeting to the, you know, start to finish of the entire effort, it was just really, really professional.
Quality, the relationship, the responsiveness, the product that is being put out.
They was on time, they was on point, they went right to work.
Trust Kanga Roof because they are going to do what is best for you and your home.
Really, because Kanga Roof really has this stuff down to a science, including an inspector coming out. I really like that part.
So having a roofer that has the service to come out immediately upon request is really important. It shows good faith